What's the difference in the weight of the XHover Win 5 frame with 4mm arms upgraded to the more durable 6mm arms? Stay tuned to find out. Alright, just to show you, here is the 4mm arms once again. Now, just wanted to show you how much one 4-inch arm, 4mm arm weighs, and that is 9 grams. All 4 arms together should be times 4, obviously, but we're going to do it anyways. 36 grams. So 4mm arms is 36 grams. One is 9. XHover Win 5 frame with the 4mm arms. To show that here, let's see. There's your 4mm there. And then let's see how much that weighs. Clear out the scale. That is 69 grams. Now I do have a anti-slip battery thing on the bottom here, and then I also do not have the side plates on because I'm not going to be using that for the camera mount. So we got the XHover 6mm arms in. Just want to confirm the size of them here. Alright, and 5.9 millimeters. Let's measure another one just to see. They're also 5.9. Alright, so we've got 6.06. Five knots, so it doesn't look like they're perfectly right on, but they're in the 5.9 to 6 mils thick. And then let's get the weight on one arm. We're looking at 13 grams per arm. And then all 4 of them is going to put you at 52 grams for all the arms. And then we get 2 sets of bolts here. Let's see, the longer set looks to be 15.9 millimeters long, or 16 millimeters long. So you get 4 of them, and then these other 4 looks like they are 9.6 millimeters or 10 millimeters each. Right, so you get for the a hair under $40, you get 4 arms and 8 screws. Of course, they do seem pretty solid. We will have to see if they are going to make a huge difference in the overall durability of the frame. Alright, here is the moment you've all been waiting for. The weight with the 6mm arms on the Win 5 frame. And let's get a total weight on it. Of course, The one thing it does have, just a reminder, it does have my battery straps on the battery pad on the back bottom, and it has no side camera plates. So we're looking at 85 grams total. So with the 6mm arms. So I'm going to put a blank screen up here at the end and show you all of the numbers side by side. So thank you very much for watching, and I hope this video has been helpful some way. I will keep you posted and updated if these 6mm arms are actually worth the price you're paying for them.